What's the gizmo called?
Mould.
It's a very unexciting name.
Now I've got to get all the bits and pieces off this.
Isn't it pretty?
There's a knot in that.
Sweet little bag.
I haven't got all the bits and pieces out.
Looks lovely, Mum.
There. Now they're been attached to the bottom, you see.
I see.
And we've gone through them so often.
Very good, very clever. Looks lovely. It's going to make lovely little
It'll
petal
be nice
bags.
for kids to carry.
Yeah, look really lovely.
That's been split so many times.
That's lovely, Mum.